to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Daily Charme July 2024 Charm box. This is a monthly subscription box and this is the summer edition of the box, as well as doing a nail set with a couple of the items from the box. Now, every box is going to come with one of these cards. On the front is nail inspirations, and on the back it is everything inside of the box. Now, I have been getting the Daily Charm boxes for a couple of years now, and to me, they are one of the best subscription boxes. It's $49. You get a box about every 2 months. And most of the time, it's going to come, not most of the time, all of the time, it's going to come within the appropriate season. And best of all, it is totally a surprise unless you go out and someone got their box before you did. But to this day, they have not given any spoilers for the boxes. They've given a couple of clues on what's inside the box, but they've never really unveiled the box. Okay, so let me stop blabbing and let's get into the box. So I've been popping up what these items are in case you want to go and search them yourself. But we're to one of my favorite items in the box, and it's this iridescent green and fuchsia. It's a AB color shifting rhinestone. Ooh, they are so pretty. Next, they gave us not one, not two, but 3 stickers in this box, which I love stickers. It's an easy way just to step up your nail art if you're not very artistic like me. The first ones are these gold leaf stickers. And then these stickers, I'm going to flip it to the back here in just a moment because I want you to see the quote. It's from this company, Deco Beauty. These are not Daily Charm stickers, but they are sold by Daily Charm. Life is hard. And so that's why they give us these nail stickers. I love that. I say that all the time. Life is hard, nails don't have to be. And they gave us these cute stickers. They're all rainbow and butterflies and good feeling summer vibe stickers. And the last set are these white seashell stickers. And I used the little pearl stickers in the nail set today. Then this is one of the reasons why I love them, because they gave us chrome and they gave us this 2-in-1 chrome applicator. So you can use it to rub in your chrome and you can use it as a little mini stamper. How cute is this starfish and clamshell with a little rhinestone on it? And then we got these resin colorful flower mix. These are so cute for those junk nails that we're seeing all over everywhere. And then we got these tropical sunset stud mitts. I actually used a couple in the nail set today, as well as some glitter. I'm so glad they're bringing glitter back to these boxes because I love glitter. And then we got this silicone mold, so you can take and make your own charms however you want to. Customize your charms. Those are so cute. And then we got foil. Oh my gosh, I love foil, but I'm not gonna lie, this foil kind of let me down. I'm still playing with it, so the jury is still out, but I'm about to give you foil by the foot. Look at that'll be good for Halloween. That is, oh my. This foil blew my mind. The issue was it was not as vibrant on the nails that I did. So I kind of had to scrap my plan A. And what you see in today's video is my plan B. But that's kind of how it always is. Probably just going to reach out to them and see what they say about using the foils. And then last but not least, they gave us 2 bomb colors. This H36, it's a twinkle gel. It is flamingo flare. And they gave us this teal appeal. And both of these are beautiful, beautiful colors. And here they are all swatched out just so you can get a closer look at them. I actually have on in the nail set when I start doing them the teal appeal because I started off doing a set with that, but it didn't go the way that I wanted it to go. But anyway, I digress. All right, so for today's video, I actually used these ivory coffin long full cover nail tips from Daily Charm, but I cut them down because I did not want my nails to be that super long. I have a vacation that's coming up, and so I'm just trying to get ideas. And plus, I like making these nail sets in case I ever have to like just run out and pop some nails on really quick. Like, you're not gonna catch me out there without nails on. Okay, so I only did like 3 things to the nails really. I gave a couple of them full color, and then a couple of them I gave an ombre. And then a couple of them I left plain in this nude color. I did use a jelly, and everything that I used in this video I will link in the description box below. But I did use a nude jelly, and it is very similar to this ivory nail color, so you really can't tell a difference. And then finally, I gave a couple of the nails French smile lines. It took me 3 minutes to do one French. Like, oh, I can't wait till I can get to do it in like a minute or less. So this part has been sped up, but it's still taking me a long time. Y'all just roll with me on it. Just roll with me on it. Okay. Anyway, these nails that I did the French line on are going to be those seashell looking nails that are trending right now. All right, so these nails that have the French smile line are actually going to be the seashell nails that you see trending right now. And y'all, I only saw it twice. I saw it on Daily Charms, one of their Instagrams, and they actually used alcohol ink. And then I saw it on C's tutorial, and I saw it a couple of weeks ago, but I vaguely kind of remember what she did. And so the first layer we cured, and then the second layer we're going to leave this wet. And then I'm going to go in and just add some white stripes and kind of blend them in, but not all the way. You'll see it here. Now, hindsight is 2020. If I had to do it all again, I think I would use thinner stripes. And thinner and thicker. I think I would use 2 different sizes, but anyway, I did love the way that it turned out, and I hope you do too. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think or what I could have done to make it a little bit easier for these nails. Now, this part right here was like the hardest part of these nails to me, to get the lines to look right, thicker at the end and thinner as you go in. That was a little hard, and maybe I wasn't using the right product. But anyway, I did see on Daily Charm Instagram that they have a 3D gel tube that should make doing this 3D effect a little bit easier. So I'm gonna add that to my next order when I place the order with them. But anyway, I did my best here, and it just, I mean, when you look at other people do it, it's like, oh, that's not hard at all. But then I was like, oh my God, it took me like 2 days to do these 2 nails. I was driving myself crazy. All right, that was like very dramatic, but I hope y'all understood how these nails did me. All right, so this trend is the pool water trend from last year. I'm using a milky white polish on top of the color gel polish, and then I'm going to take a dotting tool and just dip base coat on the wet milky polish to do this effect, and you just let it bloom. And then once you're happy with it, what you would do is cure it for 60 seconds. I did not want a full nail of this, so after I got it to where I kind of wanted it and I was happy with it, I did swipe some of it away at an angle so that I can move to the next step. Okay, so now after I finish curing, I'm just going to take this 3D white jelly, and I'm going to drag it across the nail at an angle where the nail polish and this pool effect meets. And I'm just going to do it haphazardly. Like, I don't want it to be clean. I want it to be totally random, because this is going to be like the sea foam. And then I'm going to take and put some bubbles over it. So you'll see that coming up here in just a moment. And the bubbles that I used was just some dishwashing liquid and some water, and then I just mix it up in a cup. I took this spatula and I laid the bubbles gently over the nail, and then I just stuck the nail in the lamp and let it cure for 60 seconds. And then when I took it out, I just took an alcohol swab and wiped off the bubbles, and there you go. You have the bubble effect. The next thing I'm going to do is just add this abstract frame using this Stay Put Jelly in a Tube from Daily Charm. And I'm going to add this to one of the new nails. Unfortunately, my camera died and I didn't get to show you the end process of this. But after I put the charm on the nail, I cured it for 60 seconds. And then in the middle of it, I put some base coat and filled up the center of the frame. And then I cured that for 60 seconds. And then I went in and put flamingo flare followed by top coat in the center. So you'll see it at the end of the nail set, but that's what I did just to explain to you. So this tool that you see me using came in a charm box a couple of boxes ago, and I'm so glad that they thought to put it in there, because you can take and add a curve to your metal studs or charms so that they don't just stick out on the nails. I actually have a clip that I'm going to show you at the end of the video of one that has been pressed versus one that is just sticking out. Speaking of the end of the video, I can't believe that we are almost here, y'all. So let me give you the quick PSA. If you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the content of today's video, give the video a like. And if you're feeling generous, leave me a comment. So for this nail, in addition to the palm tree stud, I also used the iridescent green rhinestone from today's box. I used some caviar beads and some teeny weeny little pearl halfbacks just to round off the nail set. And up next, I'm going to show you the difference in a pressed versus not pressed stud. And here is the final set. I'm going to show it to you in normal light and then with the flash on. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.